Hi, I'm Yolmer from UAVLOG and welcome to this brief explanation video on what UAVLOG actually is. UAVLOG is a flight time logging system for unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, also known as drones. It's developed for pilots of drones that don't automatically log their flights. Logging your flight time in UAVLOG is really simple by using a 3-step wizard. Step 1 is selecting the right drone and battery for the flight and hit the button Go Flying. In step 2 you simply press the button Stop Flying and you'll be presented with all the information about the flight for review and editing. And finally step 3 is simply pushing the button Save Flight. And after that your flight has been saved to your flight log. It's just that simple. Are you curious in using UAVLOG for your drone flight operations? Then go ahead and sign up for free and try out the functionalities for yourself. If you have questions on the functionality of UAVLOG, then go ahead and check out the other videos in this YouTube channel or get in contact with us via our website or social media. Thanks for watching and until next time.